allowed us to do.
I want to get you in the shot.
Oh, just let me know how you want it. I don't know if you want to get shots of it closed.
So here's an elevator, Montgomery GNP from 1969, 1970 at Southern Park Mall.
This is just like JCPenney's at Monroeville Mall before they closed.
Yeah, interesting. Oh,
And we're just bringing it down from the top.
okay. Can I take a look at these fixtures and get a video of them? This is crazy. I wonder if that's like an indicator that goes ding or whatever, you know, when the elevator arrives. How slow this thing is.
Right, don't touch the button. Don't touch the doors.
Not.
Attention shoppers.
I just close it.
Oh my god, I can't believe we're actually doing this. This.
And did you guys want to ride it back down?
Can I
Sure.
hit the one button? Can I hit the door close button, please?
Sure.
I'll do the honor. Oh wow, this is cool. Let me hit one.
Yeah.
Montgomery G&P from 1969,
Yeah.
1970. Because I think
Yeah,
actually, look at these lights in here. That's
Yeah.
pretty cool. This is probably the most.
It's an old elevator.
We actually like the vintage stuff.
Yeah, we definitely like the vintage
Yeah.
stuff. You know,
Take our
this is
picture of the
definitely
picture.
this is definitely once in a while. You know, I mean, this is crazy. I never thought I'd have like a date like this.
Sorry.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah.
Original.
So, Nathan.
I'm guessing that's a machine room for it, right?
Yep.
If I close it, please.
Oh, certainly.
Let Ryan do the honors of closing it. That'll be a final ride on the freight elevator. I might be the only one.
Thank you.
Hey, thank
Take a quick
you.
look at the buttons.
Absolutely.
My name's
What's your
Ryan.
guys' channel?
You just look up Nathan Day.